Assalamu alaikum kids, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn phonics. A A A apple. This is B. Phonic of B is B ball. C. Phonic of C is C cat. D. Phonic of D is D dog. E. Phonic of E is elephant. F. Phonic of F is fish. G. Phonic of G is grapes. H. Phonic of H is horse. I. Phonic of I is ink pot. J. Phonic of J is jug. K. Phonic of K is kite. L. Phonic of L is lion. M. Phonic of M is monkey. N. Phonic of N is nose. O. Phonic of O is orange. P. Phonic of P is parrot. Q. What is the phonic of Q? Queen. R. Phonic of R is rocket. S. Phonic of S is snake. T. Tiger. U. Phonic of U is umbrella. V. Phonic of V is van. W. Phonic of W is watch. X. Phonic of X is X-ray. Y. Phonic of Y is yacht. Z. Phonic of Z is zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz and take care. Bye.